Hey everybody, Photoman here, back with another video. Hope everyone's doing okay and keeping well. This is an abandoned farm that's not far from the little hamlet of Brant. Now I did another video of Brant on the grain elevator there, if you want to check that one out. That grain elevator is from 1928, so it's pretty neat. And a photographer's hotspot for that hamlet. But this is about 5 minutes away, so I'm guessing that this was spurred by the arrival of the railway. But unfortunately, hard to find any information on these places that are out in the middle of nowhere. But hope you enjoy the video. And thanks for tuning in.